drag racers with the semis, get to your trucks, get them warmed up, and get them to the infield area, please. All the drag racing semis, get to your trucks. Just bring them in the infield. All the trucks that are going to drag race, get to your trucks, please. Get them back around into the infield area so we can get started with the drag races. One more lap around and then it's going to get crazy with the Wacky Wheels figure 8. The next time they come around, Sam McGurby in the 5, Joe Podolinsky the 56, Willie Wright in the 7, Josh Langer the 1, the 18 of Kurt Havidel. Here they come around the bend. He's going to come out for 15 laps, and we're underway. It's Joe Podolinsky taking the early lead in the Calusi Chevy number 56. Sudden Sam McGurvey is second. Andrew Lurie is already to third. Oh, we got a wreck. The second and third place cars are wrecked. Josh Langer in the 1 is now second. Podolinsky with a huge lead. 3 laps down, Joe Podolinsky out in front, Josh Langer is second. It's really Wright beating on Langer. Wright in the 7 trying to move to second. Podolinsky a lap ahead of the field. It's Wright second, Langer third, then Havidel, then Luria, and sudden Sam McGurvey battling for the final spot. Luria goes a lap down. Podolinsky lapping cars. He's lapped up the... Oh, Sam McGurvey makes a left to avoid collision. 7 laps down, Joe Podolinsky in the 56 leader. McGurvey's got a right front flat. Podolinsky with a close car there on the 56. Willie Wright still second. Halfway. Oh, the tires come off. The right front is off the fog of sudden Sam McGurvey. He's having to wrestle that car through the turns. We're past halfway. The 7 car of Wright still second, the 18 of Havidel is third. Ten laps are down. Joe Podolinsky about to complete lap number 11. All right, there he goes, the 11th lap in the books for the 56. Oh, he takes out, the leader's up on 2 wheels. The Polish Prince put the show on. Luria says, take that. Our leader's wrecked. He's going again. Luria breaks. 2 laps to go. 2 to go. Oh, Havidel. Third place car is taken out. He and Wright were battling for second. 1 lap to go. 1 lap to go. Joe Podolinsky on his final lap. Let's see if he can make it through the cross. Here he comes. Joe Podolinsky is your winner. All right, the Little Big Hammer.